Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore the features of Tableau. Let's get into the video. In today's fast-paced environment, making sense of complicated data can be difficult. However, with Tableau, converting that data into valuable insights has never been easier. Tableau is a powerful, easy-to-use application for data visualization and analysis. It enables anyone, whether a beginner or a data specialist, to create interactive dashboards and attractive visualizations with no coding knowledge. Tableau connects to various data sources, from cloud platforms to databases, suiting all organization sizes. It offers real-time data analysis, ensuring decisions are always based on the latest information. Tableau's interactive dashboards let you explore data from various angles, answering key questions in real time without needing multiple reports. With mobile compatibility, you can access your data on the go, making informed decisions anytime, anywhere. Collaboration is easy with shared insights and comments. Advanced users can integrate Python and R for enhanced analytics and visualizations. Tableau is the preferred option for anyone wishing to transform data into insights that can be put into action because of its adaptability, scalability, and user-friendliness. Are you prepared to discover your data's potential? Try Tableau now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more data tips. See you next time.